here's the app, Promise Alert app. Let's take a look. Yeah, it's going viral. Introducing Be Real for couples. Share daily photo check-ins with your partner. Build trust, stay accountable, and strengthen your relationship together. Commitment, trust, and loyalty made visible is the commitment tracker for couples who want proof of loyalty, not just words. It helps you celebrate promises kept, show trust in action, and keep daily receipts of commitment. No more guessing or doubts. With Promise, you can finally see the loyalty that makes relationships stronger. Promise tracker, receipts of trust, loyalty scoreboard, daily check-ins. So let's take a look at it. How legit is this app? But yeah, you can just see here. It's kind of has similar design to Locket app. And then you can just see set up Promise, enter your name. You can just so there is referral code which you can enter, and then so you can see the details. So for example, these are the questions. Quite interesting idea. Set your own zones, get alerted if they enter or leave. No more fights about where they were. You will both see, go straight to the lock screen. If they delete the app, you will know. You always will be notified. So this is the way you can see how it works, and then you can start using Promise, and then you can see which kind of stuff it's blocking, and then you can just set up notifications, which is the part of this app. So it's quite interesting idea. That's why it's going viral on TikTok. And then here you just see basic per week or pro. Here you can see $40 yearly or monthly, $10 monthly. So that's kind of the idea in here, and that's kind of how you get started. But yeah, do you want me guys to upgrade and create the full overview of this app? Let me know in the comments. And then you can see, yeah, #1 loyalty app, pretty cool idea, so try it out.